Bruxism is a habitual condition characterized by the involuntary grinding, clenching, or gnashing of teeth. This often occurs unconsciously, frequently during sleep or as a response to stress and anxiety. The grinding action subjects teeth to excessive force, leading to wear and tear. The process begins with muscular activation, primarily involving the jaw muscles. Grinding can erode tooth enamel, resulting in tooth sensitivity, pain, and eventual damage. Management strategies encompass behavioral interventions, stress reduction techniques, and the use of dental appliances like night guards for protection.